Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you search about Reddit and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We'll search about Reddit. If you find updates, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.